कॉप का किरदार जो आप कर रहे हो, कितनी एक्साइटेड है प्राची इसके लिए?
जैसे मैंने वो यूनिफॉर्म पहना पहली बार, मेरी चाल बदल गई. आई थिंक माई बॉडी लैंग्वेज रियली चेंज्ड. आई फेल्ट अथॉरिटेटिव. I felt responsible. You know, if I have to think of a real life cop, oh my god, variety is really the key for an actor, I think.
How about working with your co-actors Manoj Vajpayee, Sahil Vaid, Arjun Mathur?
इस फिल्म में जरूरी था कि we look like a team and we look like people who know each other for a long time, and बस हमें ऐसा लगना था.
स्माइल करने का मौका तो ऑन सेट नहीं मिला होगा, ऑन स्क्रीन आई.
I think it's important to like enjoy your work also. We are on this mission to solve this one particular case. ये जो एक ऑपरेशन है, उसे हमें लिमिटेड टाइम में खत्म करना है. So
आपने कहीं से रेफरेंसेस लिए?
I think Shefali Shah and Rani. I think these are two of my most favorite.
हाँ, gorgeous cop भी हो सकती हैं.
That's too sweet of you to say.
Prachi, how do you see your journey from Kasam Se and now here as Sanjana?
I feel like it's two different planets, you know.
किनकी बायोपिक में काम करना चाहोगे?
Kalpana Chawla is definitely one. Gayatri Devi was very, very interesting.
Is this the gift of your mom? This prettiest smile you have on your face always?
Oh, that's the best thing I've heard today.
मुझे पता नहीं था.
Yes, and
हाय हेलो नमस्कार, यू ऑल आर वाचिंग पंजाब केसरी. मैं हूँ आपके साथ नमिता सचदेव और आज हमारे साथ इंडस्ट्री की एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस है जो बहुत प्यारी है और जिनकी जो स्माइल है ना वो लाखों में नहीं बल्कि करोड़ों में एक है. मतलब मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि जब भी उनसे मिलूंगी या बात करूंगी मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल उनसे यही होगा कि इज दिस अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम योर मॉम और योर डैड, या फिर दोनों की स्माइल इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग थी. तो आइए आज उन्हीं से ये जान लेते हैं. सबसे पहले वेलकम प्राची टू पंजाब केसरी. कैसी हैं आप?
थैंक यू. आप कैसे हो नमिता?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. तो पहले आप मुझे ये बताओ, इज दिस द गिफ्ट ऑफ योर मॉम, दिस प्रिटीएस्ट स्माइल यू हैव ऑन योर फेस ऑलवेज?
I think so. Because a lot of people do say that I resemble my mother, and मुझे बचपन में बहुत ऐसे बोलते थे कि when you smile you really look a lot like your mom. So I'd like to believe that I get it from her.
Oh wow, I'm really curious to watch her now. अभी मिलना है मुझे उनसे ना.
Done. Let's get you to say hi to her for sure.
Okay, तो साथ में है अभी आपके? वैसे मॉम डैड साथ रहते हैं नहीं?
Yes.
तो मतलब मेरी तो आज निकल पड़ी है ना.
Totally. And if you want some home cooked food, please do come.
ओ वाह यार, मतलब कहाँ, मुंबई में कहाँ रहते हो आप? मुझे बताओ, मैं तो जल्दी से पहुंच जाऊंगी.
बस अभी मैं ऑनलाइन ना आपको पूरा एड्रेस ही दे देती हूँ. Everybody come to know.
फिर वो फैंस की जितनी भीड़ अभी लगी रहती है ना बाहर, उससे 2-3 गुना ज्यादा रहेगी फिर आपके घर पे ना. वो बाहर की डोरबेल बज रही होगी बार बार.
आई थिंक कोरोना में ये हम अवॉइड ही करते हैं. नहीं, मैं बस आपको सीक्रेटली बता दूं,
है ना. एग्जैक्टली. चलो लंच का फिर और कभी प्लान करते हैं. वेल, मैं ये जरूर जानना चाहूंगी कि प्राची, ये स्माइल वाला बात तो मतलब अच्छी बात है, इसके बारे में मैं और बात करूंगी, बट देन ये इतना टफ कॉप का किरदार जो आप कर रहे हो, कितनी एक्साइटेड है प्राची इसके लिए?
मैं बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज आई थिंक मैं पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कह सकती हूँ कि ऐसा रोल तो मैंने पहले कभी नहीं किया है. बिकॉज जेन्युइनली आई गेस कि ऐसा कोई रोल स्क्रीन पे मैंने पहले कभी नहीं किया है. एंड आई थिंक इसीलिए I was so excited to play this role, and it was like an instant yes कि मुझे तो ये करना ही है. I think this is the kind of role that I had been waiting for some time. Yeah.
क्योंकि इससे पहले जो आपकी इमेज हम सबकी नजरों में है वो ये है कि एक गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर, क्यूट बबली दिखने वाली, बड़ी प्यारी सी मुस्कुराहट वाली, मतलब एक परफेक्ट गॉर्जियस हीरोइन मटेरियल जिनको हम कहते हैं ना, वो आप हैं. एक्टिंग आप एकदम परफेक्ट करती हैं, बट देन उसे ब्रेक करने के लिए दिस वाज इम्पोर्टेंट टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विद द रोल. Was that you were waiting for?
Because I feel like reinvention बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. Of course हर एक एक्टर का एक forte होता है, and a lot of people are very good at something, and I guess कि filmmakers आपको बार-बार कास्ट करना चाहते हैं because there is that one thing you do very very well. But एक point आता है कि you want to do something more, and variety is really the key for an actor. I think आपको variety is what really keeps going, and you have to just keep improving, in the sense you have to keep growing as an actor yourself. So वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And I think at one point that time really came in when I knew कि this is it. Now I have to just do something different. And that's when I think I made it very, very clear that in my choices, even if it is tough to say no, to let go of something, I will have to say no, because us waqt ke liye, I think those particular roles, even if the films were wonderful, even if the directors were so good and the actors in the film were so good, I think it would not help me in any way. So I let that go, and I just waited for something like silence.
एग्जैक्टली एंड हाउ अबाउट वर्किंग विद योर को-एक्टर्स मनोज वाजपेयी, साहिल वैद, अर्जुन माथुर? मतलब सेट का माहौल तो काफी लाइट रहता होगा ना, सब एकदम प्रैंक्स क्यों क्रिएट करते हैं ना?
Too much fun. I think as a team we had a blast. एक तो मनोज सर का इतना ये जो intense और serious I guess impression है ना हम सबके दिमाग में. That's not true, huh? Completely, because he can be quite a fun person. He's wonderful to be around, and वो बहुत हंसी मजाक करते थे हम सबके साथ. Sahil, of course, if you've seen his roles, you know कि ये इसका comic timing कितना amazing
बहुत ही अच्छा है.
And and he's an amazing voice artist also. So वो बहुत हंसाते रहता था हम सबको. And Waqar, I think, has such amazing experience behind him. So Waqar ke liye, it was so good to see him in this kind of a different role, you know, on screen again. And I think Arjun ke liye, to play a politician of this sort for the first time, बहुत ही different था. So we have all never worked together before, but इस film में जरूरी था कि we look like a team and we look like people who know each other for a long time. And बस हमें ऐसा लगना था कि we're so comfortable with each other कि we are like four sides of, you know, this particular box, and it's complete just because of each other. We had to complement each other. But I think they're such amazing people now that it was instant. Like we struck a rapport instantly. We had a lot of fun on sets. कभी-कभी कुछ ज़्यादा ही हंसी मजाक हो जाता था तो मनोज सर से डांट पड़ जाती थी.
अच्छा, वो डांटते भी हैं? मुझे पता नहीं था.
Yes, and डांट पड़ती थी, you know, when we would take it too far, when we wouldn't stop joking, और अगर बहुत ही serious scene है and especially अगर सर के का कुछ बहुत intense moment है, तो तब डांट तो पड़ जाती थी. But you know, it was all in good faith. Like it was fun, and it was just too great working with these actors.
मजा आ गया. मतलब आपकी बात सुन के इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, तो आप लोग ने कितनी मस्ती की होगी. देखो, मस्ती एक तरफ है, लेकिन कॉप का किरदार प्ले करना अपने आप में बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर है ना, और उसमें सीरियस रहना, इतनी सारी मुस्कुराहट, मतलब स्माइल करने का मौका तो ऑन सेट नहीं मिला होगा, ऑन स्क्रीन आई मीन, है ना?
आप अगर मेरा behind the scenes footage जो भी देखेंगे ना, you will see that I can barely ever keep my you know, straight face on. I'm always laughing. I'm just smiling the whole time. But I think it's important to like enjoy your work also. And you know, in general ये film इतना ज़्यादा serious है ना, बहुत intense है, because we are on this mission to solve this one particular case. ये जो एक operation है, उसे हमें limited time में खत्म करना है. So because we are trying to crack it, I think of course cop का role play करना responsibility बहुत है. And you can't take it lightly. Like if you're playing another person who doesn't come from this kind of you know, post, or इस औहदे का अगर नहीं है, then you can still bring in your kind of you know, some different kind of personality into it. But agar cop hai, you can't take it lightly. So you want to make sure that you're, you know, well within the boundary of your job as a cop, and you're doing everything that you're required to. So yes, it was quite interesting like that. And yeah, you know, एक बार आप uniform पहन लो,
वो responsibility अलग होती है ना?
And the authority, you know, I have to say this कि जैसे मैंने वो uniform पहना पहली बार, मेरी चाल बदल गई. I think my body language really changed. I felt authoritative. I felt responsible, and I just felt like you know, ये फिर भी I mean, even though ये film इतना intense था, and it was demanding as a job, but you know, if I have to think of a real life cop, oh my God, my job is probably 1,000 times more easier than what they ever have to go through. So that realization, I think, was something else.
वैसे हमने देखा कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारी एक्ट्रेसेस ने कॉप का किरदार प्ले किया है. यू आर लाइक नाउ वन ऑफ देम, मैं कहूंगी. तो आपने कहीं से रेफरेंसेस लिए या कोई रियल लाइफ पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर जिनसे आप काफी इंस्पायर्ड रहते हो और जिनको आपने उसमें उतारा हो अपने किरदार के लिए?
एक्चुअली रियल लाइफ कॉप्स, काफी सारी फीमेल कॉप्स के बारे में मैंने पढ़ा ऑनलाइन, बिकॉज यू नो ड्यू टू कोविड, ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज लॉकडाउन था वगैरह, तो हम ज्यादा पर्सनल इंटरेक्शंस नहीं कर पाए. आई वुड हैव ऑनेस्टली लव टू गो एंड मे बी ऑब्जर्व अ फ्यू थिंग्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट मेरी फोन पे जरूर बात हुई. दे you know, of course they need to be kept anonymous, but मुझे काफी सारी चीजें पता चली, because sometimes you want to know कि वो tricks कैसे बनाते हैं या उनके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होता है, because really a cop's biggest job is brain work, you know, and they have to be very very sharp. So those kind of especially women cops, कुछ जो है जिनके बारे में मैंने पढ़ा, and जो human trafficking वगैरह में you know बहुत help करते हैं. Especially there was this one female cop जिन्होंने maximum number of बच्चे जो हैं children उनकी families से reunite किए थे. I think इस तरह के इतने सारे inspiring cops के बारे में I read, and oh it was amazing, it was just so nice. वो एक self belief I guess आप में आता है कि you can do anything if you really you know will, if you have the will. So वो एक strength, I think it came in, you know, knowing that it's okay, you can be of any age, you can be of any gender, you can be from any part of the country, but आप इस service में हो सकते हो. So that was really great. And other than that, I think preparation wise, you know, I was actually never told कि आप weight put on करो या आप और muscular लगो. Never. I was not told कि you know बाकी के 3 जो police officers हैं वो male हैं, so आपको you know उनकी तरह tomboyish लगना है या you have to match up to that. No. I was told that you know you embrace your femininity and you be the best version of yourself, and ये important नहीं है कि आप वो एक stereotypical you know जो image है हमारे दिमाग में आप उसे fit करो, ये बिल्कुल हाँ. And that was very very refreshing, because Sanjana is a cop of today's times. एक urban you know एक city में वो एक cop है, and that's why I think that role just became more special. Besides I think on screen बहुत सारे artists ने बहुत ही brilliant job किया है of playing cops, but I think Shefali Shah and Rani, I think these are
Rani
two of
Mukherjee,
my most
favorite. हाँ.
These are some of my most favorites on screen. Yeah.
And now अब से आप भी मेरी favorite होना as a cop.
Oh, that's the best thing I've heard today. I can't wait for you to watch the film, and please do watch the trailer today, because आपको कुछ glimpses देखने मिलेंगे.
Already देख लिया मैंने तो. टीजर देख लिया. हाँ टीजर देख लिया और अभी ट्रेलर भी देख लिया. हाँ.
Yes, do watch it today.
Definitely, and how could I stop myself to watch that? मतलब अब तो मुझे लगता है लोग ना इतनी gorgeous cop भी हो सकती हैं, तो उसके लिए तो देख ही डालेंगे.
That's too sweet of you to say. But yes, I feel like anybody can be anything they want. So I think with Sanjana, वो belief I think और stronger हो गई.
अच्छा, Prachi, how do you see your journey in like TV industry to Bollywood right now? When you look back, how do you feel from Kasam Se and now here as Sanjana, a tough cops character?
I feel like it's two different planets, you know, because with every few years, you know, everything around you changes so much. The world is ever evolving, and because of that, you know, सब चीजें इतनी ज़्यादा change होती है. At the same time, you keep growing as a person, or you keep changing and evolving. So it just feels like वो बहुत ही अलग दुनिया थी, एक वर्ल्ड था when I started off versus today. एंड जब मैं देखती हूँ कि जिस तरह का OTT कंटेंट या जिस तरह के रोल्स भी बहुत सारी लड़कियां कर रही है, आई थिंक वो देखकर भी लगता है कि वाओ, थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड सो मच एंड it's amazing, it's really good. So it feels like it feels like that was a different person and this is a different person now.
Obviously, and as an actor, मुझे लगता है this is a privilege for all of the actors that they get to play इतने सारे characters on screen. एक ही जिंदगी में इतने सारे किरदारों को जीना बड़ी बात होती है ना?
It's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful feeling. Totally, absolutely. And things that ऐसी चीजें which you would never experience or feel ever in your real life. You get to feel those through these roles, and it's brilliant. Yeah.
हमने इतने सालों में देखा that you have been choosy for your films, for your scripts, है ना? So how do you go about choosing your scripts, Prachi?
I don't have a particular method really, but मुझे I just like I think I'm good with everything. Like I'm so greedy कि मुझे हर type का role करना है.
Oh wow.
But yeah, now I think right now I feel like I want to do a little more not particularly powerful roles, but I mean to say that I want to do roles where the woman has a voice, the girl has
roles in terms of women.
Yeah, and not just like that kind of power, because yes, I've just played a cop, so maybe it's not just that, but I just want them to be a little more interesting and something that I feel good about. I don't particularly want to keep repeating or playing very submissive roles. Yeah.
वैसे अगर किसी बायोपिक में काम करने का मौका मिले तो किनकी बायोपिक में काम करना चाहोगे आप?
There are so many inspiring women really, but अगर आप maybe just India से I mean particularly if you look at Indians or American Indians or something, I think Kalpana Chawla is definitely one person who's biopic to do. Gayatri Devi was very, very, very interesting. And I think ऐसे और बहुत सारे हैं. So I think this is from a time which I have not seen myself. इसीलिए I'm more intrigued about what life was like back, in those days. And how as women they held their own strength at those kind of times and did something that was so unusual.
So in 2021, after this, like after Silence, what else we are going to watch Prachi into?
I think that it's going to be another film and a web series as well. There is something that's very interesting and I have liked it a lot. देखना यही है कि how fast we can put things together. Yeah, and make it quickly so that we can again come back to people with something new.
Definitely. और इतना इंतजार मत करवाना आप. 2017 के बाद 2021 में आए हो आप 4 साल बाद, है ना? तो 21 के बाद वो 25 नहीं होना चाहिए ना?
Oh my God. Correct. I'll make up for that lost time. I'll do lots more stuff, and I will. Yeah, then you'll have to binge watch all of that.
Definitely. प्राची की एक स्माइल के लिए तो मैं क्या कुछ binge watch ना कर लूं.
You're too sweet.
Thank you so much, Prachi, for talking to us on Punjab Kesari, and all the very good luck for your future projects, for Silence, and we are looking forward to watching more and more movies and web series.
Thank you. It's so wonderful chatting with you and sending you lots and lots of love. And yes, हमारी film जरूर binge watch करना on the 26th. It's premiering 26th of March.
Definitely. हम तो देख रहे हैं. I'm sure viewers को भी 26 मार्च को ये फिल्म जरूर पसंद आने वाली है. So do watch Silence on 26th of March. प्राची है, मनोज वाजपेयी है, साहिल वैद्य और बहुत सारे एक्टर्स हैं इसमें. So thank you so much all of you for watching us.